Welcome to Knightline for Wednesday, February 10th, 2021. I am Alex Canton with school news and announcements for Jose Marti MAST 6-12 Academy. Let's begin with weather. Here is Mario Dominguez.
Good morning everyone, I am Mario Dominguez with your Knightline weather. It is 73 degrees and partly cloudy with 85% humidity as we begin the day. High temperature are expected in the high 70s today. The high is projected to be 80 with an overnight low of 72 and partly cloudy skies. Winds are expected from the east-southeast with gusts of up to 10 miles per hour. Now, for your 3-day look ahead. Partly cloudy skies will be with us through Thursday evening. Thursday is expected to be partly cloudy up until skies clear up in the late afternoon with a high of 80 and a low of 71. Clear skies continue on Friday and temperatures hold steady, reaching high of 81 and a low of 72. And more cloud cover returns on Saturday with a high of 82 and a low of 72. That is all for Knightline weather. Back to you.
Thank you, Mario. Juniors, this Thursday at 7 p.m., Mr. Milian will be hosting an exclusive event for juniors and their parents as they prepare for college process. The details of the Zoom can be found in Square in your drive. Please check out our social media outlets as that information will be posted as well. Join the PTSA on Tuesday, February 16th at Chipotle for a family night fundraiser. Chipotle will be donating 33% of their sales from 4 to 8 p.m. to our school's PTSA. You can dine in at the restaurant or order on the app for takeout. All you have to do is mention the fundraiser at the register or show the flyer on your phone, or type in the unique code if you are ordering online. Visit Chipotle at 405 West 49th Street, Hialeah, on Tuesday, February 16th from 4 through 8 p.m. Check out the flyer on social media for more details, and don't forget to use the unique code if you are ordering on the app. Everyone know what's going on in the world? Here's Emily Campos with Planet Report.
I'm Emily Campos with Planet Report. Reuters is reporting that the global apparel industry, reeling from a punishing 2020, is seeing its hope of recovery punctured by a new wave of COVID-19 lockdowns and patchy national vaccine rollouts. Some major retailers still have large inventories of last year's clothes, which would have been sold off in clearance sales in normal times. British fashion chain Primark is holding around $205 million worth of 2020 spring and summer stock and $275 million from autumn and winter. The value of unsold clothing worldwide is estimated by consultancy firm McKinsey to range from $168 to $192 billion, more than the double normal levels. This has led retailers to reduce their orders and request later payment terms. With store closures threatening to carry into summer, some retailers are attempting to sell off as much of their excess stock as possible before placing the orders. The pain is consequently going to major garment manufacturing centers like Bangladesh, whose economy rely on textile exports. Factories are struggling to stay open. 50 factories surveyed by the Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers and Exports Association said they have received 30% fewer orders than usual this season, as pre-Christmas lockdowns in much of Europe followed by another clampdown in January hit their businesses hard. The one bright spot in the market has been for makers of pajamas, which have been on sale rise as more people stay home. That's all for Planet Report. Back to you.
Thank you, Emily. High school students, do you need community service hours? Bring in donations of new or gently used clothing, ties, toys, shoes, or household items. Hours will be awarded based on the number of items donated. A minimum donation of 5 items is required for community service. Bring your donations to the Student Services Office no later than Thursday each week in February. The collection deadlines each week are February 11th, February 18th, and February 25th. The yearbook is available for pre-order for $40. The first 100 buyers get to pick the cover color. Pre-purchase your copy at yearbookforever.com. Language Arts Homework Help is available every Thursday from 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. The link can be found on the school website under the Students tab. Mr. Milian invites you to earn college scholarships with Raising. Students at Jose Marti MAST 6-12 Academy are earning micro scholarships from schools all over the country, starting as early as first semester. Sign up free at the link below. Our Values Matter Miami core value for the month of February is kindness. Kindness is the quality of being generous and considerate. We want to recognize those random acts of kindness. If someone has done something kind to you, record a shout out to thank them. and we'll feature it on the morning announcements. Record your shout-out video and email it to Mr. Vega. We'll share your shout-out with the school. If you are feeling sad, lonely, or anxious, remember that help is all around you. The MDCPS Department of Mental Health Services is here for you, and there are many school resources available. Students can talk to a teacher, school counselor, or mental health professional who can guide you to and/or assist with needed support. There is also a 24-hour crisis support line available. Call 1-800-784-2433 or text HELLO to 741-741. To get help in Miami-Dade County Public Schools, mental wellness matters and someone is here for you. During February, we observe Black History Month. Here's Cameron McPhee to tell you more about Eddie Robinson.
In 1988, the Washington Redskins and the Denver Broncos clashed in San Diego, California for Super Bowl 22. Quarterback Doug Williams led the Skins to victory, becoming the first black starting quarterback to play in the big game and the first black quarterback to be named Super Bowl MVP. Williams, a 4-year star player at Grambling State University under the legendary Eddie Robinson, was selected in the first round by Tampa Bay Bucks at the recommendation of the team's offensive coordinator, Joe Gibbs. Williams became the first player in Super Bowl history to pass for 4 touchdowns in a single quarter and also score 4 times in a half. The Broncos went up 10-0 in the first, but the Skins ultimately defeated them 42-10. Still the largest deficit overcame by a team to win the Super Bowl. Williams threw for 340 yards and won MVP.
Thank you, Cameron. It's that time of year again to go the extra mile and do something thoughtful for someone by donating to the United Way. The United Way of Miami-Dade helps create opportunities for those in need to build a better life. The United Way focuses on quality education that leads to a stable job, enough income to support a family through retirement, and good health. Look into your hearts and donate anything you can to help someone who is less fortunate. The United Way campaign runs through February 26. This year, donations can only be made through Venmo to @UnitedWayMan. In the memo, please write your full name and Jose Marti MAST 6 to 12 Academy. Enjoy a free dress down day to celebrate Kindness Day this Friday, February 12th. Come to school in pink, red, and white to support kindness. Remember that attire should follow MDCPS dress code rules. That's it for us today. I'm Alex Canton with Knightline. Thank you to Mario, Emily, and Cameron for contributing to our show. We will see you next time.